right, so this is the AI Recruitment Assistant demo, and let me quickly walk you through how it works. So the first thing is that the HR, we have to put in the job description, the description of what is actually hiring for, and then this is just like the sample. I'm just going to put all of this here, and then the thing is that once I hit submit, what's going to happen is that it's going to send it to my communication channel. So in our case, we're using Telegram, so you can decide to use Slack or any communication channel of your choice. So it's actually going to help me to generate the job description, ensure it is actually up to standard. Now you can see after just giving it just that little information, just give me the key responsibilities, what you need, and all of that. So then it's going to give me this, and what's going to happen is that I'm going to, if I want to make a request, I'll request for edit, and then I'm going to edit it. But in my case, I actually want to approve. I think I love it this way. So I want to approve it, and then it's going to publish the job. So after approving, it's going to actually give me this link. It's going to give me this link, and this is actually the link that people will use to register. And then after clicking on this link, then I'm going to post it to either LinkedIn or whatever the job or posting platform I use, and then people start applying. Now, in our case, like 4 persons has already applied, and the thing is that in standard, this kind of job, it's not just 1 person that apply, not 4 persons. In a standard, you're going to get like 200, 500 applicants applying for the same role. So which means the HR would have to be the one to look at every CV. So which means most of the times you have to ignore even the right candidate. But in our case, we won't have to be the one to do that. Our assistant will actually be the one to check. So this is the link for the candidate to actually apply. You have to put in their name and all of these, and then you have to upload their CV. And then after doing that, our assistant will be the one to actually sort it out. It's going to score each candidate. It's going to score each candidate. So now, in our case, we already have 4 persons that actually apply for the job. Let's check our database, and then let's see the scores. Now, this is a CV score. It's a CV score, and you can see we have 4 candidates that have applied. So this is the score. We have 10, 85, 30, 95. So this person that actually scored 10 is actually a junior, and then this is an intermediate. Now this 95 is actually a senior developer which actually apply, and then that's why we have this 95 score. And you can see it's going to give you the strength, it's going to give you the gaps, and let's see what you're actually going to get after they apply. You can see it's going to show you the, okay, this is it here. Now this is the CV screener. So it's going to give you their score, and then it's going to give you if they are strong, if they are strong match, and then it's going to show you all of that. So this is it. We have 4 persons that applied, and based on what we got here, it's going to be 3. And the reason we got 3 is that you can see the score. The score is 10, 30, 85, 95, and the recommendation is this. Once we have no as recommendation from the assistant, it's not going to send it to you, but it's going to log it in the database so you can check it if you have another choice anyway. But it's not going to send that to you because it's not recommending it. But if it is yes, maybe yes, then it's going to send it to you. So that's why we have the 3 shortlisted candidates from your assistant. So which means when 500, 1,000 applicants actually apply to your job, it's just going to so it's going to shortlist it, and then you can decide that, okay, I want to only interact with candidates from 50 upward instead of 30 upward. So then you're going to have all of them here, and what's going to happen is that after checking it, you would have to approve the shortlist and then schedule interview. So which means you're not the one even scheduling interview. What you just need to do is you approve the shortlist, and then after approving it, it's actually going to give you the shortlist approved, and then you can see, and then it's going to schedule the interview with them. Now you can see this is interview schedule. It has actually sent this email to these 3 candidates. They are sent this email to the three candidates. So this is of the information of the people that are shortlisted, and then it's going to send them interview. And then you can see that yes, interview has actually been scheduled. Now you can see it has actually sent the mail to them. That's why you can see that okay, interview invite sent. Interview invite sent. All right. So let me quickly show you the email that the shortlisted candidate to get. Now you can see this is the subject, and then this is the email content. Now you say congratulations at the bio car for. Now this candidate is actually the one that got the 95 score, and then this is the interview details. This is the date and time, the duration, the format, and then this is the meeting link actually for the interview. And then this is actually the confirm attendance, the button that the candidate is going to click on to confirm the attendance. So that's actually it. And you can see now this email invite actually all the candidates from 30 score upward is going to get this invite. So you can just decide that you only want to interact with candidates from 65% upward. So it depends on your preference. So that's just what that is. And then after this, the next is when the HR is done with the interview, it's going to send a feedback to the assistant as well. So, and the essence of that is actually to generate the offer letter. So let me just show you the link. So this is it after already scheduling the interview. So it's going to give you the link to actually send the review, and then this is it. So I just already filled this review anyway. So this is it, and then I fill this review. So immediately I click on submit. What's going to do is that it's going to generate the offer letter, and then it's going to send the feedback. Now let's check. Now you can see this is it, interview feedback. Since you've already gotten that, then this is the offer letter generator. The assistant is going to send just a brief to the communication channel, but it's going to log everything, the complete offer letter into the database, so the HR can just go there. Now this is a table, offer letter. Now this is the offer table. This is the offers, and then this is the column for the offer letter text. Now this is it, dear Adebayo Okafor, on behalf of NexSupport. So this is it. So what's going to happen is the HR is just going to click on everything, copy everything, and then it's going to edit it, put in whatever information that is left, and then it's going to send it manually to the candidate. All right. So this is the end of the demo, and I'm very sure that you would want something like this running in your system. Our contact is in this page. Just reach out to us, and then we'll be glad to work with you. Thank you. Looking forward to see you.